Following a historic series victory over Oregon State, your Washington State baseball team earned a number 20 national ranking in the baseball collegiate poll. They returned to the Pullman to Bailey-Brayton Field to host the Oregon Ducks, where they won Friday night, but today on Saturday they lost 14-8 as their pitching staff just couldn't quite find their groove, and the Ducks simply out-hit the Cougs. No one scored in the first inning as WSU starting pitcher Caden Kabler started the game with 2 strikeouts before allowing 2 runners aboard. He escaped unscathed on a groundout. In the second inning, Will Cresswell took the first pitch he saw into the outfield for a leadoff double. Greg Fuse scored Cresswell on a double of his own to put the Cougs up. Brandon Ponce scored Fuse of his first of 3 base hits. Kyle Russell was hit by a pitch, setting up Ponce to score off of center fielder Jonah Advincula's double, his second hit in as many at-bats. Russell scored off of Cam McGee's fielder's choice, and WSU jumped out to a 4-0 lead. Oregon plated 2 with 2 hits and a walk to cut the Cougar lead in half in the third inning. In the bottom of the inning, Sam Brown scored the Cougs' 5th run off of Ponce's second single. Brown has reached base in each of the Cougars' 18 games. Oregon started the 4th inning with 3 straight singles to force Kabler out of the game with a final line of 3+ innings pitched, 5 earned runs on 7 hits, 2 walks, and 2 strikeouts. Spencer Jones entered the game for the Cougs and struck out 1 while allowing 2 more runs as the Ducks took a 2-run lead. The Cougs started the home portion of the 4th with 3 straight singles of their own. Fuse flew out to left to tie the game at 7. Orr locked down the Ducks in the 5th, but was not so fortunate in the 6th as the Ducks scored 2 more on 3 walks, a hit, and a hit by pitch to lead 9-7. Relievers Cam Lease and Connor Wilford contained the damage for the Cougs. In the 8th inning, Oregon's Gavin Grant of Puyallup, Washington, hit a grand slam to all but put it out of reach for the Cougs. Wazzu tacked on 1 more run in the 9th inning off of Brandon Ponce's 3rd hit of the day, but it would prove to be too little too late in a game in which WSU simply could not stop Oregon. The Cougs dropped to 14-4 on the season, but return to Bailey-Brayton Field at 1:05 p.m. tomorrow for the rubber match against the Ducks. For more WSU sports content, be sure to follow Wazzu Sports Network on Instagram and Twitter, and subscribe to the Cable 8 YouTube channel for more student productions. Thanks for watching, and in Pullman with your Wazzu Recap, I'm Sam Taylor.